So hello guys, welcome back to develops.ai. So in this video we are going to solve Terraform fundamentals. So if you know this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develops.ai. So let's start the lab and let me log into a credential. So copy your password and open it in Ignito mode. Then click on next. So paste your password here, click on next, click on I understand. If the displays, click on agree and continue or else continue. Agree and continue, and then open your cloud shell. uh, Click on this and open your cloud shell terminal in your lab. So click on continue. So come back. So I'll be providing link in the description, so get access of that link. So come back and then copy the code given and then paste it here and come back to your lab and click on task number 1. Below this task number 1, below number task number 2, they'll be given here a zone here. So copy this zone us west 1c. So copy your lab zone, not what you're looking at display. So copy that and then come back and then just paste it here. So click on enter. So come back and then copy the another command here given in description. So copy that and paste it here and click on enter. So click on authorize and wait for a few minutes. The lab will be easily solved, guys. So guys, our lab has been successfully completed. So come back to our lab and let me check our progress. So click on task number 2 and below this task number 2 or 3, there will be a check my progress option. So click on the check my progress. So finally our assessment has been completed. Let me move for another check my progress. There is no another check my progress here. So let me end this lab. So before ending this lab, please like, share and subscribe for develabs.ai, guys. Thank you, guys.